2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. There she is, right there. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we true dualed it, took the X pipe off, and true dualed it 3.5-3-inch pipe all the way back, left the valves in here and here. Then deleted the rears also, there and there, and put some massive 5-inch black tips out the back to complete the look. Came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see. So it's fully true dual, straight pipe all the way back. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe. Charger Hellcat. Here we go. Much better. There's 123 again. 127. 128. 128. Can't even step. It's so loud. Wow. I gotta get far away from it. It's that loud. It's crazy. Look how far away I am to get it clear for you guys. Wow. This is like in the chest. You guys hear on the inside. He's gonna pick up a track hawk next, guys, so stay tuned. 2018 Hellcat SRT. My ears hurt, guys. It is so loud. Wow. Sorry for the wind, guys. I'm trying to block it.